Your push-ups are getting easier. Your pull-ups feel smoother. For a while, body weight training feels like magic. But then, something weird happens. You're still training, still sweating, still doing the same exercises, yet your body hasn't changed in months. Your strength stalls. Your progress disappears. So people start believing the biggest lie in fitness, that body weight training is limited. But the truth is much simpler. Body weight training isn't the problem. The way most people train it is. Here's what usually happens. Someone discovers calisthenics and starts with the basics: push-ups, pull-ups, dips. At first it works perfectly. These compound exercises hit multiple muscles at once. Your chest, shoulders, back, arms, everything starts adapting. But then people make the same mistake. They repeat those same movements forever. Same speed, same reps, same difficulty. Eventually, your body adapts, and once adaptation happens, progress stops. Your muscles need a new challenge to grow, and that's where most people misunderstand calisthenics. They think the only way to get stronger is by adding weight. But your body doesn't care about dumbbells or barbells. It only cares about tension. You can create that tension in many ways. Slow down the movement. Take 4 seconds to lower yourself during a push-up. Pause at the bottom for 2 seconds. Suddenly, the same exercise feels twice as hard. Change the angle. Elevate your feet during push-ups. Use rings instead of a stable bar. Even a simple pull-up can become dramatically harder when you focus on squeezing every muscle and controlling every inch of the movement. But there's another mistake that quietly ruins progress: momentum. You've seen it at the gym. People swinging their whole body just to get their chin over the bar. That's called kipping. And while it might increase your reps, it doesn't increase your strength. Strict form forces your muscles to do the real work, and real work is what builds real strength. Another detail most people ignore is range of motion. The body always looks for shortcuts: half push-ups, half pull-ups, more reps but less growth. Full range of motion stretches and contracts muscles completely. That's where the real gains happen. Then there's the trap that social media created. Everyone wants advanced skills immediately: muscle-ups, front levers, planche holds. But trying skills that are too advanced too early is like trying to run before you can walk. Strong athletes spend most of their time building the foundation: perfect reps, controlled movement, consistent training. Because here's the secret most beginners don't realize: calisthenics never stops working. People stop progressing. They repeat the same workouts, ignore technique, and forget that progression can come from creativity, not just heavier weight. Master the basics, control every rep, challenge your body in new ways, and suddenly, your own body becomes the most powerful training tool you'll ever have.